Okay, so we're live. Welcome to our stand-up for the Pacific Rim US. Time zone-ish. So here with me is Patrick. So Patrick, give us an update.
So I think I reviewed a PR this morning from Sanja regarding the admin pull down list, our menu. I answered a question or two on Slack, and I think that was pretty much it today. No blockers. So that's it.
We have a bunch of PRs there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I think I'll review the PR. So in the last couple of days, I was not able to look through anything. So now I'm going to do some PR review. I just opened IntelliJ. I thought, well, maybe I'll just write a few lines of code, but apparently not.
Well, Sanja's this morning is very short. It's only 5 files, of which three of which he's got to remove because they're editor files, or Eclipse ones in Eclipse. So that's really straightforward. So the last time I talked to the Asia team, as I call them now, was Thursday morning, and I told them I'd be out on vacation next week with limited access to Wi-Fi, but I'll try to connect up sometimes. But I said that you were going to reach out to them on Slack and let them know when you could connect with them. 7 or 7:30. 7:30 is fine with them as well, they said. So hopefully you get one or maybe 2 times you can connect up with them. Keep pushing forward. We spent some time voting on 3 or 4 stories, maybe 5. So the ready column has stories in there, but they're going through them pretty quickly.
Okay.
So may have to do some more voting next week. So other than that, they're moving right along, making great progress. And Vijay's, she and I connected yesterday, and I think her pagination PR is ready to be put in place. She's holding back, though. She wants to do the method naming PR. I think it's 284 first, and then do the pagination. I think it's job seekers without job developer. She's got that ready to go, but she's going to do that after the method renaming story.
Okay.
So that's pretty much all I know at this point.
Okay. Looks good. Okay. So I see that you already changed your PR.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
So I think we're good to go. So I'm just going to merge that PR. And the other two, I'll just look into them and see if I can just merge them today.
Mm-hmm.
And see if I do have some time left. I don't
know.
So, yes.
Sorry, I forgot to mention I did tape or go live for the Thursday morning session, but it hadn't shown up on Agile Ventures website as of yesterday. Actually, as of this morning, I think. So I'm not exactly sure. But anyway, I wanted to make sure I got that in case you wanted to sample that and see where we were at during that last meeting before you connect up with them. Is it showing up yet on
it
the
should
AV site?
show just like immediately. Let me check it out. So merge in the meanwhile here. Just after the updates they did with Karma and stuff, the website became so slow.
What did they do to it? It is really slow, I've noticed.
Yeah.
Carmine?
They added Karma.
Oh, Karma?
Now. Yeah. If you go to members now are sorted by Karma.
Ah. Okay.
And after that change, I'm not sure if it's related with that specific change or if it was something else. Just completely.
Yeah, I
Sorry,
noticed it's
pretty slow.
gotten glacial. It's really, really slow. So I'm looking at project videos, and there's a slot for the video. It says my name is host, published yesterday, but the link column is empty. And I don't see an edit button anywhere for me anyway.
Strange. I'm looking at the Hangouts. There's no pair programming, but the only pair programming I see here is for Project Unify today.
Oh no, we did
it was
this
yesterday. Sorry. To here pair programming on MetPlus.
Yeah.
At 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. Well, it was 7 o'clock my time, perhaps 11 o'clock.
Yeah, Patrick.
So I guess London's 4 hours ahead of me now. Or is it 5? That must be. So that's where their server is, and I guess that's the timestamp.
Yeah, something looks strange here.
Yeah.
On this Hangout. I just pressed watch, and watch apparently is not giving anything. Because yeah, it's like you don't have a video.
Really?
Let me see. Do you have? Let me see if I can somehow edit this. Videos. Nope. There's nothing I can do about this video. That's pretty strange. Like the one before, it's here. Despite
well, the one
you didn't record it. Despite that, it's here. But
well, that one might have been the evening one, but the morning one yesterday, I see that Slack's telling me there's a Google Hangout link there at 7 o'clock, but there's no YouTube link associated with that showing up on Slack anyway. So
Slack. Let me see.
I went to the project page and I clicked the button Start a Hangout, the Start a Hangout on the fly. So maybe that doesn't have a integration with YouTube. Maybe it's only the events page.
It should have. It has. If you see if you go to the videos on MetPlus.
Yeah.
Is it here? You go to this page. You will see that only yesterday's video is not there. The rest are there.
Okay.
Despite the fact that you didn't put it live, the link is always there. So I don't know.
Okay. It's bizarre.
Let's just spam.
So the link is always there. It's just you may not get anything when you click the link if it didn't bother to go live. Yeah, right.
The link
it
just says it's not live.
Removed by the user or something. Yeah. Yep.
Why the first video doesn't have a link? Okay. Do you have? Let me see. Do you have your profile on YouTube?
Yeah, I do. It's linked to my.
Eventually, if you could add the video under my comment on. Are you in website one?
Yeah, I am.
Channel. So I just posted there a question. If you could post under it saying something like, "Oh, the link to the YouTube video should be this one," and it's not showing up as well. So if they cannot, if they don't know what's happening, at least if they can edit it and add the link there.
I'm sorry, what did you want me to post the link?
The YouTube link to the video.
On the AV videos?
No. On website one, I just posted there a question in this channel, website one.
So it's agileventures.org. Is that what you mean by website one?
No, if you on Slack.
Oh, it's Slack. Got it. Okay.
On
Do
Slack,
I?
I just there a question
Yeah.
saying,
Not subscribed to that one. So
"Oh, you're not in there."
site one. Yeah. No, I'm not.
If you can just pass me the link, I'll just paste it there.
All right. Okay.
Okay, so here, let me copy this and video should be showing. Okay, so I just posted there. Let's wait and see if anyone just says anything.
Okay. Good.
I think maybe Raul will look into it.
Raul or Sampriti. I don't know who maintains that stuff.
I don't know. I don't see some pretty for some time now.
Yeah, I haven't either actually.
But
Okay.
but Raul is more or less, I think, now the project lead on website one.
Okay.
He's usually active till late, so eventually he will pop up and say something.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can, if you want to look at that video, sample it to get a little bit of a background. But for the most part, you know what they're working on. I'd say they're all really bright and capable. And Tongwei, I think, has completed the basic course for Agile Web Development using Ruby on Rails. But her programming is significantly more advanced than that, I think. She's only done one PR so far, but she's fast and good. Mega's an experienced software engineer, and you can tell. I think she's new to Ruby on Rails, but she's really good. And Sandhya, it's interesting. She's like all of them, really bright, but she asks a lot of questions having to do with the nature of the application and the business requirements and the difference between, say, a job developer and a case manager, etc. And as we're discussing some of the stories, she kind of thinks through it from the point of view of the user and what makes sense. So, and she's always asking questions that, to some degree, question preconceived assumptions that I have made or we have made. And that's really good. So I think I like the way she thinks about this, not just the code, but the actual use of the software and what's best for the user. So there's a good set of skills there.
Yeah, that's good. And sometimes we just get too focused on the problem at hand and we just forget about the users and why do we do things this way and that way. So
yeah. So it's good to be challenged and have to explain it and look at it from different dimensions. So it's all good with them.
okay, so I'll try to, maybe Wednesday is not a good day. I'll try to eventually connect with them, maybe 2 days, but I can do it like 7:30 to 8 or something. So I'll just try to get up and get to work a little bit early so I can have like the first half an hour.
Okay. Yeah.
And that way we keep more or less the same rhythm.
Yeah, it should be good as long as you don't have to watch the ready queue. If it dwindles down, what I've had to do is prepare a list of stories to review consistent with where we're at, MVP, and what they want to do. And then we go through voting. Because they don't know the code base very well, I walk them through a little bit more detail about what's got to change and how.
Okay.
But so that's the most time-consuming thing about the calls. So hopefully it'll be quick.
Okay. Anything else?
Nope. I'm all set.
Okay then. So have a nice vacation.
Thank you. I'll try to connect up. I maybe even try to join one of those calls if I can, or maybe one of the 5:15 calls. Just to
Will you be back by Friday?
I'll be back Friday, so I may be able to attend the Scrum Friday.
Okay.
Normally.
Scrum will have meeting with Chet Friday.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Well, don't count on me for being able to do a demo because it's going to be iffy. But I'll definitely attend if I can. Okay.
I'll prepare that. Don't worry. Okay, I think that's all.
All right, great.
So have a nice evening and good vacations.
All right, you too. Have a good weekend.
See you next week.
All right, talk soon.
Bye.
Bye now.